sunny Saturday of the year, March the... This is March the 18th, I think, or 19th. So, for some reason, an outsourced chainsawing company. Oh, the fumes. I'm getting fumes all the way down here from that. The fumes are very strong here, and that's got to be a good 60 metres away. Why have they got to do this? What is wrong with the hedge? Can't they just leave it alone? Why have they got all this noise, these fumes, this insect habitat destruction? Right, this is how far away I am, and I've got to get up and move because the fumes here are just... you can just taste them. It's like, going right into your lungs. The fumes off these the Stihl machines, STIHL. Oh, getting lungfuls of this. There's only one of them, I think. There's two. What is the point of this? They're absolutely obsessed with chainsawing things that don't need chainsawing, blowing empty spaces that don't need blowing, just getting their motorised power tools out at any opportunity.